All right, so now that we've finished off with that grouping over there, now we're coming over to the crop tool. The crop tool has some presets. Let's click on this and see what we have. I think if you've never used it before, you'll probably be in the normal, which means that you can draw any size shape of a crop that you want. If you don't like your crop, first of all, you can reposition. You don't want to be in the crop tool for some reason, hit the escape key. That will get you out. If I want to change and actually use a specific aspect ratio, then I can choose that aspect ratio in here. If I want to come in and create a custom ratio that is not part of one of those other ones, then I can come in here and choose, let's say, 11 to 14. Whoa, not 114. And click OK, and now I am actually creating an 11 by 14 aspect ratio. Hit the escape key, Bob's your own. So if you come in here and make a crop, you want to see what your image looks like with your crop. So I'm just going to come over here and do something like that. Just double click. And now you're viewing your image as you have cropped it. If you want to come back to the original image without that crop, then you have to click on the actual crop tool and then hit the escape key, and you're back to seeing your full image. Now, this other guy here is the straighten tool, and this is used to straighten up your horizon lines. So if you got that nice sunset on the beach kind of thing, but you didn't have the camera held perfect, you would use this and drag horizontally. What I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten out this image a little bit by clicking here and dragging up along the wall for the guy there. You can see now that in order to make that line perfectly straight, the application had to crop and rotate. All I have to do now is double click, and now that line is perfectly straight. The roof is going up on the angle that I believe it should be going up on. I'm not 100% sure. If that's not the case, then all I have to do is come back over here, click on that, hit the escape key, and I'm back down to the normal way it was. That's those two tools. The crop tool and the straighten tool. Next, we will be talking about these guys.